let's take a ride on the Tomorrowland Speedway, located in Tomorrowland at Magic Kingdom in Walt Disney World. This ride has gone through some name changes. When it first opened, it was called the Grand Prix Raceway. Then it changed to be known as the Tomorrowland Indy Speedway. And finally, in 2009, they changed it to what it is today, Tomorrowland Speedway. Have you ever wondered how many total cars can fit on the track? Take a guess. It's about 150. It seems like a lot to me. This attraction isn't exactly going to indulge your speed demon tendencies. The cars top out at about 7.5 miles per hour. The Tomorrowland Speedway was an opening day attraction at the Magic Kingdom. Yep, in October of 1971, there was the Tomorrowland Speedway. Of course, back then it was called the Grand Prix Raceway. If you enjoy these ride-through videos that we make, it would be awesome if you would strike that like. Thank you so much. All right, let's go hop in a car and take a ride.